السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. دلوقتي معايا عربية ميني كوبر R56 فيها مشكلة في الستابيليتي DSC فيلر وهنا تمام، ومديها ليا وريت الحساس ده المفروض بيبقى تحت بس انا حاطه هنا. Hello everybody, now I'm having a Mini Cooper R56 which is having DSC sensor lateral acceleration sensor fault 5D B3. I have two sensors here. I replaced them and I found the same problem, but I found something different. Here is the sensor. Notice if I try to delete fault codes, display fault memory, delete fault memory, 5DB3 will not be erased till you shake that sensor before you install it and calibrate it. Notice I will show you now. Ignition off. Okay. Insert start car. Display fault memory, no calibration, lateral acceleration sensor fault 5D B3, also here no calibration. Okay, if I go here, vehicle information, ABS, call up ECU functions, diagnosis scan, DSC sensor. I will read the state of all of these. Notice here 3 are moving. If I go to shake that one with my hand, transversal acceleration will stop. Okay, I will notice I just did that like that. Transverse acceleration stopped. Okay, close. Assume that I will install that right now when it's placed. Okay, then I will start vehicle test. Yes, display. I think I will delete fault memory. Switch off. Start the car. Display, no calibration. I think I should do it once again. Don't know. rotate, it came back. Okay, now I will check it. Okay, here it became 0. Close. I will not delete fault memory, I will just stop the engine, and ignition switch is on. Then start vehicle test. Yes. Display, no calibration sensor fault. I'm sorry, I forgot something. Now I will go to calibration and it will go, I mean that fault, 5D V3. Service functions, DSC sensor adjustment, display, continue, continue. Continue, continue. Start vehicle test. Yes. Still have that error here. I don't remember exactly what I done with these sensors, but I think I shake it, then calibrated, and everything went okay. We will see that again. No. As you see here, red sensor. So I will go to calibrate it again. Service functions, DSC sensor, display, continue, continue, continue. Notice ABS came on. Completed successfully, and continue. Start vehicle test. Switch ignition off or not? No, start vehicle test. Yes. Display, default memory. Yes. I think now everything should be okay because I don't have stability sign here. I don't know exactly the procedure, but you must shake it to get zero transverse. It only went okay with that. Okay, now I have only 2 fault codes. And if I start the car, everything is okay here, and still the sensor is there. Now I should install it underneath. That should be here. Then I will calibrate it again because it is not on the correct position right now. Okay, so I will install it, then may I need to calibrate it once again. Okay. Now as you see here, I installed it on its plates here and started the car. Now the car is running without errors here. Go to vehicle information, ABS, call up diagnosis, DSC, read state. Notice I have here all the three are moving without anything here. Okay, I don't know should I calibrate it again because we changed its place and position or not. But I think I should do it, so I will do it again. If it fails, I will shake it in its position underneath the seat mat here. Then I will do it once again the same way as I showed you once, as I showed you on the previous part. Okay, so I will continue and do it. Thanks for watching. And now everything came back again. DSC failure here, and also 5dB3 sensor fault after I began the calibration while it is installed on its correct position. So I will go there and shake it and leave it on the correct position and do the same as the previous while I was letting it here. Okay, so I should do it once again. I just went from the other side and shaked it and didn't scan the car. I know after shaking it, it will say some faults related to calibration. Now we'll go to service functions, DSC sensor, display, continue, 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 continue. Have all of them now. Continue, continue. Still having that sign. Start vehicle test. Yes. Display. Release photometry. I'm still having ESP sign. display, no calibration, so I will go to service functions, adjustment, display, continue, 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 finished, start vehicle test, display, so same fault came back again, so I will go to shake it once again and do that. I don't remember exactly what is the procedure, but I think I did it once here while it was here. Okay, so I will continue to try till I finish that. Now it is on its location under that, and I have no faults here, and I scan the car again, and these two was the last error that I had, 5dB3, and now it is no. Okay, so I will delete fault codes. Yes, I don't know exactly what hit that issue or what is the cause, but if you try to move it, then try to calibrate and erase, calibrate and erase, it will go. I found that way while I installed one of these and got the same fault code and got the same fault code for much of these. Then I tried to calibrate it while it is beside me. Okay, now everything is okay. Then I found that way. Okay, so you can move it, then move it, then try to calibrate and do that a bunch of times. Okay.